What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another video. And today's video is going to be a really interesting video. I'm going to be showing you a good 5 minute or great 5 minutes scalping strategy that you can utilize on just about any chart. But today I'll be specializing with showing you this strategy on the 5 minute chart. Alright, before we get into the video, if you're new to this channel or you are already an existing person on this, subscribe to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe and check that bell notification so you don't miss no more of these videos, and you help me get seen by the YouTube algorithm. Remember what we preach on this channel: each one teach one, and as long as you getting gems, you should feel comfortable with passing the same gems you received to the next person, because we all gonna eat whether you like it or not. Alright, so with that being said, jump right into the disclaimer. Anything I show you here is purposely or solely not here to show you how to make $1,000,000. I'm simply showing you strategies that'll help you get an edge on your trading style. Alright, you simply get what you put into this industry. If you put 10%, you're gonna get 10%. If you put 10,000%, then you're gonna get 10,000% back. Alright, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Today's video is going to be utilizing some very powerful indicators, some lagging indicators, but we're going to make them so accurate they're not going to lag. You'll see. It's like we got magic on our screen happening here, and you don't even see it happening. Alright, so pay attention, because I'm gonna pop the settings up for each video. I'm gonna explain why I use each indicator, and at any given moment you can pause the video and copy the settings. Although I am showing you this strategy or any strategy in TradingView, I'm gonna try my best excuse me, I'm gonna try my best to make them as simple as possible so you can apply the exact same settings to the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform on your phones. Alright, because right now I'm on the pro membership with TradingView. You can also get that. I'll try to leave a link for that down in the description below. Also, before we even get into all that, what's your favorite pair? Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I can help you create a strategy for your trading style. Alright? But, let's get right back into the video. So the strategy that we use is moving average and the parabolic S&R. Alright? This moving average here is resistance. And I'll tap that 2 times. You can see it's at a 3 moving period, and it's set to close, and there's no offset. Like I said, it's set to red. Alright, so the next one is a green moving average, and it's set at a 1 moving period, and it's also set at close, with this being green. Alright, that's the support line, and this is the parabolic S&R settings. Let's get that on the screen. Set to blue and set to thick, and these are these settings. Remember, screenshot, pause, do what you gotta do, play in slow-mo, and get these settings and apply them to your trading style on MetaTrader 4. Alright, you can see we're on the 5-minute chart, but it looks a little confusing, so let me get things to look a little clear here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Tap the pair, hit the 3 dots, hit move to, and hit new pane above. Alright, and that's going to move price above, and you'll see. And the reason that we do this is because, like this, we got a cross right here. You got a cross right here at this candle. So holding it from this candle, alright, because you see the parabolic is at the bottom, so that means it's in an uptrend. So from this candle to here is a cross, and from here to here is a cross. That's 2 trades, 1. Got a cross happening here. Got a trade happening here. Boom, sell, and it came down. Came down to here. That's a nice little trade, nice, right? right? We're gonna go back. I'm gonna scroll back so you can see that this isn't hand-picked. Zoom out. One second. All right, my bad. I had to tend to my daughter, trying to put her to sleep at 1:14 in the morning. Not going well. But you know, back to what we're saying. Remember what I said, guys. If you need some trading assistance or you just need somebody to hold your hand through all this, don't forget to get my course down below. It's in the description below. I also got it down in the comments, so feel free to check that out, man. This is awesome, man. And trust me, you wanna get a lot of this strategies, and you want to get a lot of this learning down, because at the end of the day, you guys could be blowing a lot more accounts, and it's not fair that you guys are blowing accounts and there's people out here copy and pasting who knows what into their phone. So let's go into this. If you stay to the end of the video, I promise I'll give you two more golden strategies or tips that'll help you get better sniper entries, and it'll help you get a better edge and better your psychology with your trading. So like I said, let's go back and let's try to not handpick a trade. Boom. It's not handpick a trade. I want to come back in here right quick because I got something on I don't want. Boom. There we go. Like I said, boom. At 8 p.m. tonight, or around this time, we had a cross for an uptrend. Cross for an uptrend to do, let me see, 6436. 6436 to, gotta come down under. Sorry, gotta come down to about here. 6519. 6436 to 6519. It was almost 100 pips. This from where we are now is it look like it says 16500. Let's go from 16500 to the cross to that happened down here to 1635. Now it's 150 something pip move. Man, that's awesome, man. That's just two hand pick trades. All right, I'm gonna give you one quick tip on how to do this. You're only trading, right, either from zone to zone, or you're trading confirmation with the parabolic SNR. All right, you got the cross, let you know that price is below resistance and it's going to sell. The parabolic SNR is also in a downward motion, so that lets you know that the trade is going in a downward trend. You can ride that trade all the way until you get your next upward parabolic SNR alert. And you would let it do its range, and then you would also find another spot where you think it would gain some type of momentum. Do your chart analysis, and then trade zone to zone. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you a tip now. What you do is you come up here and you hit the candle button, which is also next to the 5 minute, and the compare button. You hit the candle button and you change these to Helkanashi candles, which is under the hollow candles. All right, and it's going to show you something like this. You see how price is in an upward motion? Like, you can clearly see that the candles are green and it's in an upward motion. They also followed the cross, also followed the parabolic SNR, and we got a cross. Look, come down here, we got a cross. Parabolic SNR went for up. That's two confirmations. Also with the Helkanashi makes three. Boom, got a red candle, parabolic SNR, and a cross. It's a sell. Oh man, this is dope, bro. You got a sell here, parabolic switch, SNR switch, boom. That's one tip. Because I want to thank you for watching this video. You can see that this works on any time frame. Let's come to the 15-minute, and you can see that the 15-minute time frame is even more profits. It's even more profits. All right. Price crossed. Price crossed. Roll this way up. Price also came up here, but like I said, price crossed, came his way up, did its range, then came back up. So, oh man, this is awesome. But I'm glad I got to show you this, because this next tip is going to be the one that show you how to get your better sniper entries and stuff. So with that being said, follow my hand here. I want to just hit that. So I'm only on one screen, and I want to come to recent price, and I want to bring price down like that. All right, you're going to scroll up here until you get to this square box here. When you get to this square box, you're going to hit it, and that's the select layout tab. You're going to hit this layout, and that's going to put two candles, two charts over you. All right. Now I'm going to change the top one to a 5-minute, and I'm gonna leave the bottom one to a 15-minute. All right. I got the same indicators down below. Same indicators down below. Now look, what you do is you want the indicators from the recent chart, the higher time frames chart. You want that indicator with this price movement. And the reason you want this price movement is because when you come down here, you see how this is a cross, an upward cross. Like, I'm gonna move this up and show you. This is a upward cross here. Cross. Price is the yellow line. I'm sorry that they're different colors, but price is the yellow line, and it cross following the parabolic SNR. It's a downward trend, and it's just doing its due. Price switch, got into range here, came up a little bit before it came back down for a cross. All right, price is in a downward motion, and it's totally a lot of pips here, guys. So like I said, with that being said, I hope you really like this video. I hope you got some sniper entries from this video. Also hope you got some gems. Remember, man, if you're looking for somebody to help you with this trading, Forex trading stuff, go ahead and get my course down below. It's super cheap. Anybody can afford it. A 17-year-old bought my course, and it shocked me because he was 17-year-old and he's actually trading now. But you know, like I said, get the course. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite pair, so I could try to create a strategy for you. You know, like I said, like this video, subscribe to this video. Each one teach one. Make sure you guys pay attention to the rules, stick to one time frame, or utilize the multi-layout time frame for a better sniper entry on top of either zone trade or trade cross to cross, with the parabolic being a confirmation. All right. With all that being said, you guys, happy trading. Continue to stay safe out here and practice safe distance. Remember, 6 feet, you guys. And I'm not talking about just from people. I'm talking about from negativity as well. This is 2020. It was already crazy enough. Let's end this year on a less drama note. And make sure you guys vote tomorrow or today, because it's after 12 today. And you guys just enjoy it, man. If you got any gems from this video, don't be afraid to comment them down below. Help people understand the video, all right? Because, you know, I try my best. I try my best, guys, but sometimes I do it to myself, and I overshoot these things down. So take what you can. Like the video, subscribe. Don't forget to check the bell notification video. Check out my course, and man, soak in this strategies. It is dope, man. Love you guys. Stay blessed.